believe you like math. I mean, it's the horriblest subject on earth.
I don't like math.
You said you loved math like a second ago. What now? You love science?
Yeah, that's it. I feel like get away from the toilet. I can't really swim that well.
Whatever. Arrow gets fired. Whoa, hold on. I'll save you. Holy crap, what did I do? Oh my god! You stupid freak. This is take one!
Not really the good.
And cut!
That was stinking.
That's because you're heavy, bitch. That's because you're heavy.
You grabbed my foot.
I know, I couldn't see. You're a friggin' idiot. And cut.